to change it from 4 years to 5 years.
4 years to 5 years.
I'm yet to hear superior agreement because as we see, I'm hearing the ministers. Kennedy, the minister said in Ketojulo, there are 2 4 so be any ministers or then by Juma. They know. It is a China appointing Crawford, again, I call the dirty principles of state policy at chapter 6. When your policy, a sharp buying or Baban says what was among. It's me increasing it. Even the Almighty United States of America, I have 4 years. I work I want to convince and say that mass. I mean,
say 5 years.
Yes,
I disagree. The internet say 5 years. US, the saying
4.
Yes, you have democracy in every
US.
You see, and no maybe we are using any CS. Yenche Africa countries are extending more term. How improved are these countries? Yenche problems at their bromo. In fact, the negative side, it does change the positive side. Recently, even Benin, AS was extended term. Also, yes, our constitutional amendment. And when the count be used normal, and I'm someone can cool ne air banwa. It was extension. Yeah.
It's me say,
but imagine having, I mean, the second term of Akufo-Addo. The second term of Akufo-Addo. In fact, his first term was fantastic, and he will be in dispute. COVID by any other, but second term one. Akufo-Addo ebewurem after 2020 elections na odi dwuma no edru 2023 latter part be 2024 Eugene ye MPP fo na nkasa bi wo a ka Akufo-Addo nya mampani the political party members ko nya mampani getting to the elections na Akufo-Addo MPP for the bebre kura ne ho ye o ma hinya Ghana for me fa Ghana for nya example kura and there are leaders in the MPP o mufin say he hasn't managed the economy well okay upon kroma no will defend 2024 but later after the elections they no be kan or say they knew they were hearing those things but now they thought that I mean the effect you know it's being handled and Ghana for betumi ahwe amomo kwan kakra de ayeden e de atoa so that tells you say sabre 2024 na Ghana for we say and come with new president now come manage him now imagine
there's a solution for that you can go to parliament to remove the president. There's a solution. So for me, either way,
your parliament here way.
Yes, and I can either way. The argument is a bit some way for me, but I'm yet
4 years now. 4 years, maybe 4 years now. I'm yet to 4 years now. I grow best way if you're not. But again, maybe I'm okay. Me deno. The reason why for 5 years, 4 years, media 2 minutes. Almost say yempe certain period I did campaign.
Yeah.
I think it's part of the recommendations. So we know a presidential term near the one. Omo kaka ho senki enya time bia 6 months bia dey see wo say. Yeah, campaign.
No, how will you define campaign?
Oh, it's a political campaign. You say billboards.
No, I'm coming. It will be difficult. You see, Alqua, in chef, it will be difficult to implement.
Oh, sir.
For me, I believe say 3 terms no say Ghana funds so no. It's okay. Term limit we can debate and look at the superior argument. But I'm back when me then say say once first we the president and next we the 40 years and above.
Yeah.
It's almost 30 years.
30.
E be say we form the door. But you see akokwa o start brunsuo ntaman we near koko. Africa your median age about 60% of your population are around 22.
Yeah.
What I say? Say obi betimi ni obehia na 18 obi betimi aware 18 obi betimi take decisions at aba 18 why can't he implement adena okoto so aba na at 30?
But siding with almost omonka say ye too low no though the youth involvement is positive but we look at the other side and also share experience kakra. You see me ni se be 20 years kra na bia no be awie university.
One be
no more jump no. Let me put it that way because already actual age they go school I jump 20 years won't be university. The actual you could bantam be 22 23. So calculate years in education standard there. But if you are jump or go P2 then I could P4 and oh. Now so sha say nipa no 20 years in university. It means at the age of 30 or you're fortunate. Na ye fano it means that in national service if you're in 1 year which makes it up 21 years into 9 years experience ewo men can say abrabum a human life because even is no independent will be reno and 9 years experience and no bit me I experience kakra I bit me I say ebeboa, but that wouldn't be much enough in the political space as well as life on so kakra because yen mengan say yini baby but ye wuram kakra but you gusu ayesu no maybe you get it, and the mistakes I will do my ebia menye bi mu no another person ebia on drew me age and has not passed through experience kakra. About the politics also a way of life. And also say any panel should have struggles to go through. I think Senkabia 35-40 in India.
I disagree. I disagree. Papa Kufo Deputy Foreign Affairs Minister, not 20 years. I call Parliament on the 20s. I feel say a society in say you recondition your mind to say maybe we experiencing here.
Yeah.
You see, experiences is good, but I feel that sometimes when my youth no can no so much exposure now. We work at 30 years a day. You are full blown man. You can be able to take decisions. You can run a family. You see, nyamkofo catching ya net some don we ready actually campaigns. Some chance some yere mo omutimi hwe wom. Omutimi run fie, to omutimi run a government. Obetimi run it.
Yeah.
So we just share Senegal president now 45 years he's doing what 5. Those are in the 40s. Oko at Iceland, vice president, prime minister, in the 30s.
Okay.
So Macron by now just about 40s. So it's the only me believe say you bet me it's not an entirely bad suggestion for again. But come san be can we taxes and I support some say president. The salary is in BBA almost just say
no be pija akosro kakra.
No, you see canonian tiase. You see, they will feel what you feel. You see, they will be able to mention when him say they will be able to appreciate the Ghana ni
sure
more.
Yeah.
So me dream say recommendation when you so mutual taxes. It makes sense. And it's not also my allowance BB say tax and quite payable by taxer. They need to pay the tax. I support it.
Okay.
Again, back home say if we be article 71.
Okay. I
will be a Juma and assess come and see a betram. But on salaries in independent public emolument commission being able to determine. If they want to go in for it, we need to define what they will determine. Okay. Would there be a cap? Would there be a threshold? I want to say it here.
Yeah.
Again, I'm saying immunity. You say president is free Abema, bear 4 years, won't mean see no. Any idea? Says I'm saying free.
I learned say you need to level train come on. I know say me say first 3 years no will be out me. But the 3 years na say Kufuado we. Unyanya 3 years utumi nya ne hwema ne nye. I think that was the insulation towards a suit in this normal.
Yes, and some say criminal proceedings will be instituted against a person within 4 years of his ceasing to be president. In each case, in respect of any tender or method to be done by him in his personal capacity before or during his term of office. It's within 4 years and so criminal prosecution be against President Kufuor between Kenne kosi 2028 you know. Adebi oye or time oye president as Adebi oye in the private matter now ultimately the court within 4 years.
I don't know whether say because from the level conversation seems that 3 years or what that. And Adebi oma extending and
say 4 years. We have to check that.
Lawyers now more share with Facebook.
Yes. Again, no na conversation about the vice president role na unhia and the committee ni say role no unhia but omo can say more specific assignments no say there be. Yenya ne sene yete ko command assignment ne bia vice president and president ko clash here and the issues beba the maintaining sene yete na again almost ministers no say o matwam wo ye MP a di MP wo me minister
mefoa so
akoko ba kwa me san foa so ye say there's current suit to go Supreme Court amanfa ko see President Mahama. This idea meant to say Parliamentary supposed to check state institutions no na ya appointed member of parliament so a board member. Isaac, I don't go a board member to Bank of Ghana. President Kufuor be Rollins Kufuor. Why should an MP serve on a board of a state agency?
You're to force in the.
It doesn't make sense.
Your friend say, "I no marking."
Yes.
Sorry, after no marking, I of course ECG right. ECG. And you see,
the MP who is supposed to check ECG. And then for joining analysis, you supposed to check ECG, no, making sure say, "Oh my jumomo ye, on budget, oh my disunium council, my omo ye, no, or no serve as a board member." It doesn't make sense. We MP do MP.
Sure.
And there's almost so MP. I want to mean again. or learning lesson from Buzia time there was about 10 by elections at MPs resigning some could ministers. Say we MP now resign so could minister now by election be you are ineligible to qualify to be a minister until that time on ISPA. I quite say I'm breaking it down. It's Mahama Bray. So bo seven so could the so resign no could foreign affairs minister unqualified. At this 2028 elections, you know, abewie and some not qualify.
Oh, okay.
And no say ministers in say so my cabinet ministers in 57.
Okay.
I'm say 3 times of cabinet. A cabinet normally are 19 ministers. Into 19 times 3, 57 for ministers. But at the be confused when they say the committee further recommends that the president who desires to appoint a person as a minister of state in excess of the status ceiling shall furnish parliament in writing with the specific reasons justifying the additional appointment. So I'm say president in the condo say Obefef bia kan ho about 57 they on chonko parliament approve him and parliament will approve by a majority.
Na so majority dey possible say o bet me nke ye hwe dey wo currently na man pani person odi bi kan ho a. O dey parliament ya we done. It is done.
It's what the minimum of a minimum also doing what I want.
Say ministers no. Mra also. I think it's a good cause say parliamentarians no be focus on parliamentary business. Na omotumi ahwe nti see no mo capon 57 but enise mampani appointed be free parliament na appointment in referee abontimra. I support that idea.
Me yes our suggestion we no na em say en constitute sa committee we kra
say my MPs
exactly especially regional minister no was an MP.
Oh, okay.
And a typical example is Eric Opoku.
Okay.
Shatama obeye regional minister. I was Ashanti in the call central region. Na oye MP ewo ahafwa I think say ahafwa no no baby. Na hwe baby e de na kodi regional minister. Na osanso eco parliament as a member of parliament.
Yeah.
Just say
but for Osha ministries happens that way. Akokwa mama paper Osha ministries no for here. Constitution ebo attorney general di mebo AG.
Yeah.
Minister of finance. Yaman say regional minister here 16 of an say 18 mebo. To set ministry be to set gender. Do we need a gender minister? Gender. Wow.
I think so we need to integrate some
exactly
of
gender, children and social protection.
Here no as a separate ministry. Should ministry be to say tourism and defense.
Na
tourism and defense.
Agric and fisheries. You will ministries of fisheries for Ghana. But meanwhile, Anna can find
no, but agric and fisheries in India. I mean, fishing is also a form of farming. No, so I think say no there.
It's separated.
Separated.
But
defense and tourism no contrast kakra because of the defense.
Defense is about the military.
Okay.
Air Force, Army, Navy.
Right.
Anna interior and fire service, NADMO, immigration, police, and there. Yeah. They are all security agencies.
So but their operations no different.
Yes. I am expecting that we integrate
and get separate chief directors for military, chief director for internal security. Then one minister. Can say one minister. To say Jimmy Agla. See the general manager for lab. You need general manager for general manager for multimedia unit. And our program directors for lab. And Nhyira, same model,
and it's controlling the two.
But I'm looking at almost operations and the knowledgeability was area no. And you know, over coordinating. You as a minister or supervisor or my but over military operations is tactically different.
What is the job of a minister? The job of a minister is that
the minister no report or the the minister has to be focused. What I say?
Exactly.
On one baby they are signing so the operations are different. The report in there they no.
So that's why Eugene can say the chief director
should be there to play the because you see defense minister no CDS. Sanko for now and again even on defense and interior some now work defense on interior some now work how different is their tactical approach and everything Dana Ghana call or nahine we can save cost
because on say agencies security agencies share immigration, share fire service, share all the other cadre now. They share a interior ministry na anine. So every minister pa in terms of security. All brace is say a high channel, you see we report about we problems about a muntaka.
No,
but you see
policy direction
and the recommendations or
recommendation based on what? Recommendation based on the report or from the military themselves. So they do the report. You, the minister, only present to cabinet and take policy decisions.
I understand your point.
And aviation is air because air transport is different from road transport.
Exactly.
Air transport is different from road.
Aviation is different. Water transport is also different. Different operations.
But you see, sir, those agents, your authorities are. You know they are handling those things. Okay. Aviation authority,
the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority,
okay. You understand?
Okay, that's a good
what would they mention? Aviation Authority, they still act stead like a ministry. Woman authority, acts laws.
Ministry of Labor and Employment.
We spoke of fancy wabo.
Fancy was the Ignatius Balfour one
no. NSA Youth Employment agencies near the I say a few sino. What I say? I say a Ministry of Youth and Sports need labor whatever no. I say a few sino. So that now by one now I simple.
Okay.
Then cost involved no cut down. But who cook off the problem
I agree with Eugene's point. There are some aspects I see emerging.
Yeah, ministry say that keeping a standalone here, Attorney General.
Yeah.
And you say committee now recommend they say Yenti Ethics Commission be they prosecute. They want to take the powers of Article 88 powers from the Attorney General. They prosecute crime, and they will not be subject to the control of even the president. But they will decide the things they want to.
The only thing is empowering the special prosecutor.
Okay.
And no.
Okay.
You see, you don't use Article 88 and subject the special prosecutor to Attorney General. Okay, Article 88, a special prosecutor only complete freedoms are.
Yes, exactly. You see, what they want to do is that. The bill to establish the office of social prosecutor emanated from the Attorney General.
Yeah.
Into of an Attorney General, no, not create the action. No, no, pony bidia mami yedi juma. But the committee can say commission already. And that parliament member, it's been established by the Constitution, like the National Media Commission. The culture for the National Culture for Civic Education, NCC,
National
it's another. It is not Parliament enact. It is the Constitution, and therefore they will not be subject to the control of any authority or president. It's a new Attorney General. They don't have the role on health.
Okay,
they better keep here of important. Education,
but the Attorney General aspect, you know, say a buying lawyer penny, and this thing I've been thinking around it, kakra. Say, state prosecutions in no money in annual section way near, and we believe say, and also one area, which is to support governance in no norma. But yet to me, yen say Eugene, I don't know whether it's laudable, but yet to me, yen say the person will be appointed as a buying lawyer penny, you know, Ghana because he deem say. Or act though a buying appointee or a buying wabana fandi or act as an independent person, original state and name will be being fair, but being fair in all regard. It is you who Attorney General as a picture, but Nijume Diemuno in principle no entesano. Why not say Yema quiet to say Yebenya security of 10 Abiama Attorney General Bia on your political a political fees. Thank you for jabbing for special prosecutor and say any political fees. Thank you, Attorney General Sosa near money security of 10. And with that state, any special prosecutor, no president, no government, any bit me do my. But the fact that Article 88 I empower Attorney General's office. Now yes, also appoint you will be I am paying people what's our buying muno. Yeah, now yet they see it.
Article, you see, it will be difficult because of the wording of Article 88, you know.
Constitutional review, no man.
No, you see, the wording of Article 88, you know. Again, said the minister must be a cabinet minister.
For the Attorney General.
The Attorney General. So, I just say, so when you can, I just say, yes, the phrasing of Article 88.
Yeah.
Because, say, every person,
Article 88.
Yes, let me just get it. My phone is messing up with me. And to phrase now, we need to change. But I mean, come a commission minimum.
Okay.
Then rather to say general, they have security of tenure. Then they rather will ensure say MPP and this on what such right paper what
to be a bar
or any case I was arguing fine because the OSP knows the way I setting an app on am I a challenge according to they said be away second of right extradiction final documents no to even
that is what I'm saying.
This is what the command the command I was saying there shall be an attorney general of Ghana who shall be minister of state and the principal legal advisor to the government.
Right.
And certainly for you to become a minister of state, you must go on the vehicle for political party. So far as Oko join the political party, the other side will not
you be biased. You be biased.
Odimaminti on that point so.
Well, the na me suggest say, Ushe Attorney General and Ebia OSP.
Maone so kakra.
Say Ushe sa yi mi no. I say omo ye the same adwuma. So what is the need? The
Attorney General OSP.
Exactly.
No, there is a slight difference.
I get you.
The difference is about the investigative
Entina Shraj.
Right.
Na Shraj wo. What is the purpose?
Okay.
What do? They do similar thing.
They investigate
and then bring
forward
out
to Attorney General for prosecution.
For prosecution.
Okay.
Entina yesa Shraj wo. Ya equipe Shraj. Na ye OSP.
Okay.
Enti like they na UJ Kano. Attorney General na there. Whatever it is, government na appointing. So he's supposed to serve the interests of the government of the day. He's supposed to serve the interests of government of the day, so that a near be a government, if you say a year legally a year, as I say, or no, a supervisor, no, not Attorney General, a handle.
Okay. Imagine say, but say offer someone can imagine say, Yamfa won't me press conference and no Attorney General MPP de waba obe prosecute wuntu mi omo ba kwa mbi o mefa so de yi wadi no meyi wadi enti no akokwa enye easy sa
say bit me as separate
again my mema another one no say say current members of parliament 276 na yen cape
enke you
276 no
but ye wo hwa na yakọ create constituency. Yes, you have population and this thing I think say they should rather focus on that thing because it creates constituency.
No, you can't say automatically question.
It mean creative. Yes, that will be fine.
I think say you say concentrate on the decentralization. Na me fancy assemblies no more local assembly no more because uko baby to say manso Achumamponua
assembly by the Muslim.
Exactly. And not necessarily concentrated the decentralization, now you focus on the districts.
But if I disagree, you see, when you read your creative regions, sometimes still you have an argument. I don't think it's the solution. District Assembly Common Fund, the formula nature.
Right.
Into for room. Enyebi esin yaman say Amansia South because of population and everything. Now akokwa na medwen say instead of creating a different district rather no formula ni make sure say district no so omumu needs na special and so omumu nya bi sing to so for you and we develop it to a certain level. But instead of creating more because here you created the upper regions akokwa akaya 90s. And then offer every single data setter. They still lag behind when they come to poverty in this animal. So meaning that the mere creation of regions, ego, satisfying for be ego, political capital, expediency, yes, but also developing and casa Mexican coho. Sesini East no money toilet. There's no way to Sunyani in Sini East. And our west of Dana Mimi Friba. Yama common fund in physical more.
Okay.
Now what mean fixing issue now on dance you be creative because you see when you create a district, the district must come under a constituency. And on a man for an issue no by no one constituency no. And the campaign 276 and so 276 now district na 261 yan campaign no you make sure say in maximum le scan day and then I want to make sure say the decentralization must come down.
Right.
You basic gold refinery na kra. ayamanse ye besi cocoa refiner ye ko western region oba baby cocoa yi because what the sad ye ne ko ha eno so the development be dey eba
strategic policy
David argument cocoa be am tenam se me ko ma bi ma eyam na me ka say chale me need doubt to be say can we see anko say ye so anka ba na wonya yiwuram sa cocoa ben ayi bi say one school she the word e bie
area how
you do say bomb so kote all these areas so those things also drive development
sure
it's not for mama yi blocks no na ye no unse me abian ko
yeah they call rural areas no na e bi
it wasn't bad and yet bad cry
but yam
and yam bia na say ye kan yade
because of bad roads now could place the school no I mean people cannot
it will force you to do the road
okay there's another point
but time we year school no as I said time na we road no
that's true
but that's true not added
that's true it mean the main
your project planning no usually
yeah
so your fantastic policies but it
means better transport system
yeah
say because community no be or ma drop on so for instance nkwada na pi no ente kronimu
right
surrounding communities no no motie so I say we nya better transport system now they are convening or from the various communities now what area no to the school
okay another one so they ban say election of MMDCs say yento they say MMDCs yento mo so aba
right
me no na me dwen say nke beto kra na yento no not on party lines abrofo love FM bro ni on the abrofo nkwa na oka bro nya brenti no nanka medwen say yento without mama boss akwaba David Akwete
dia ema me bo rehan no say decentralization na wo fa kana o supporting now amoka say
a point of correction say wo ni Eugene frame wo fa ono onye no wo fa no me David Akwete anoko me wo fa adai
me say wo fa sisa na mo de frame
your bro wo fa say wo fa no pu waje
wo dey am wait me aframe dey David Akwete
it ono be ka say bra
that's on the
let us say so I just wanted to mo fan cheme na dem say be chene say mo ka sa e-blocks ya sense be be
right
I say be no ma pay for na hwe so mama ye kwan na ade o hwe dey see say wa hospital is we
yeah
e kwan da o say
omanye
oh I didn't say adwempa
yeah
ene dia so ye no ene nenam enti so ye back no ja back o ha ye
sure
ko you school so go see on bisa won say dey na school na attractive so be man the back ho and I say nipa no crack ho no be to ne yem e ye nipa bebre in super ho
security
kania ho security ho kwampa ho ni nyina ka ho and say ye ya say man nyina ye kambo man ye kama
sure
but ye be je bia more be a making a friend say what's the making should be after more the kwan ko to ye na so bada ne masotwe say ye be ye kase say what has not been made operational say what is still not operational mo am for tikrom ha de bia ye yare
omu hia
she traffic na menim he so be yare say o take hospital and also confanoche well that's supposed to be a rational hospital
Bangasi woye do bana krebi obi akwaji no bi si apartment bi wo doctors and nurses obi be ka so no so be yes
development ne
be yes supermarket bi at least obi fe nipa djuma enti no me din say and necessarily creating
no be ka say well hospital is supposed to create so direct and indirect jobs direct and indirect jobs
and you see unsa hospital plan so there say David Asimako see I leaders no and na me support to offer there no the obronika bibi say your multiplier effect
sure
ne tie say maame no no nso da head so be business no hu say store na ba manfo buza ni nso no tonsuo into be start sachet water na wa start ton bottle we wa ice cream kaka ho ko ma ne wo zo mu fum yedu oba no ice cream na be ton face towel no ton sem na be hu anu obi supermarket o into ne ba no ntimi nya ni na obi ko suro nso akofo be kwa bra na nya djuma na oji 800 e kwa 800 no oje nso no so de hya na maame ofie o the multiplier effect one hospital obi nya bi e kwa no so sabe enka brawa boni bi obebo no ba bi oba konantenant ode asembe ba no ode kwanya djuma so I mean they say one year they had drink ko ebebo asen say ye creative MPs Ghana carry 200 and you see the 276 MPs no it means that 276 V8 276 saloon cars 276 rent allowance 276 police officers to protect them 276 medical packages near there too much
now one can ex gracia
But don't forget, so we don't workforce and buy, sir.
Security
house helpers and moving in our mind. Now, secretary says he tried USTV, and Papa is
again, almost answer. I don't know how say. They want to do what they call easy leadership. Yamfa one commissioner, any 2 deputies. Asa.
Near
currently, I no more commissioners.
Deputy, second deputy. No one. Yamfa 2 pay. Near 1 now 10 years.
Let me
still be subject
a fixed tenure of 10 years. Would this be still subjected to the
removal?
After 10 years, you have security tenure of 10 years.
Your party, the
SEC nonsense.
Debbie. You are dear. Embrano Jumabia president creates me too. It is a wofumwa. Now from Branon Kwadia, they can spell it out to you and constitutionally remove you according to Article 146. And you are not there. Constitution not the end of the but our term is secured for 10 years.
Chief Justice didn't say nearby, and some misconduct from Mokan. It was not clear enough for so many people.
Say a debate to know.
Me, I had my own challenge about how the process went. But then there were some that you can't defend. Can defend. So, yes.
Or say, never. I have it here. Let me just get it for you.
Right.
The letter, because I think it's 10 years now, kind of, and I'm meeting and person at the mountain.
Jeff, Electoral Commission 10 years, 10 and of photo screens. It was a postcard kakra infographic.
Oh, okay.
City FM. Postcard no. That's so.
Okay.
Jeff. The better so na security of tenano.
Okay.
Or say Constitutional Review Committee proposes 10-year non-renewable term for EC boards and deputies.
And after 10 years, no more.
And after 10 years, no any deputies ni no. We renew more will be.
Okay. My home provision. Appointment of commissioner.
And 5 years. Say a
and which is also weird.
Yeah.
Is it the thinking say president be am for the EC chairman or can on the pan? Was also of angle no so what you say?
And also another one.
Because the president then about thing. Now can say so many. I first say what am I reading just to get them or say. The committee recommends an amendment to Article 217 and 70 to provide that the commissioner and each of the deputy commissioners shall be appointed by the president, acting in accordance with the nomination submitted for the respective vacancies by the Council of State. Or say, a vacant position on the commission shall be advertised publicly by stating blah 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 me per term on office. The president shall then for the nomination receive term of office. Okay. The committee recommends an amendment to Article 223 to provide that the commissioner and each of the deputy commissioners of the commission shall hold an office for a single non-renewable term of 10 years or upon or until he or she attains the ages of 65. And it's a term the crowns to know this 65 automatically no there be questionable to me.
Questionable 5 no problem or
no, who said you? No, fango no the bear money is smart.
Yeah.
Or say president as a first one go 2 terms of 8 years. They say young 10, 5 renewable, another 5 making 10.
Sure.
You konya instance when a quiet as a president be a bomb could do 2 terms. I go can history no mama the pen as a sign. A quiet as a president be a bone easy chebin a beba or corny easy chebin a beba.
But in policy no establish the Electoral Commission here then you who independent body and also recommendations na say strengthen the EC including the media any they say be aban bi antimi touch or office no just like that and you who as an autonomous independent institution there so we call 10 years fixed term and can hard but in principle yen practice we here politics no and na man akoye to say man pani bia bo pe de be favor no say nya sa de anka the institution itself the Electoral Commission no kwano should be autonomous, should be independent and should be covered say aban bi antimi mfa ne nsanka no matter what
minim no fa dwen there
but they mind no na
the man security of 10 amomadi 65 awoko kanu no mumu ye
now you for 30 years
there
Okay, so only 40
we know estimate
say nipa no 40 no ba dia obedi 10 years
Ebushanti
ba no edi febia 57 10 years but no edi 67 no no be retire 65 nka me pe the latter so the man be year bia we di bi oba 65 no retire but so man the 10 years ne dey say oye bibi na mpena sama that 146
man on tina so say 20 years kra no
20 years that's Afrejan and I make say bibi ona mpena sama article 146 wo na dey you know
no that's why omono e propose say nke nya fixed tenor but obi o ho a say bi obi o ho a ne dwumadi no ebia and qualify for article 146 so di be 2 ne dey completely
but 146
me say ni dwumadi no obeba obedi na isi bi wo ho beba obedi ni dwumadi na wo hwe saa misconduct hwan na behwehwe mu ni nyina no in the face of the law no wuntumi impeach no nyini mfiri ho but practicality no ni dwumadi bi kura no an personal things are all here in the office no nhye da nya de a eboa ba no wote so saa eti se mampani bi wo ho a wonya impeachment bia ba wo hwe ni dwumadi so nhye da nya den enso ani de ayi ya o ma yekoye district registration de ye kan se o mfamra ayi your friend say capital towns ya o ye say no ba bi obi a wonye ya ayi mami dimensa ye unsi we had problems but I mean in principle in the face of the law untimi mfa no ntuno but the war ye no sa abre no airtime obi a kan ho asem emwa ye manfo je so mo faka kwantenten ne ade to such a person so what so manfo isu say the war ye ne nye de ba qualified to be what impeached it is any time so no okode na nka wode the musuo ye dey ekodan so obetena so 20 years 30 years me that's my opinion there odi maminti quickly na
term now we use here na is that funny
or the musuo god
na enipa who twaya no no so di musuo na tena so akwa people say the term
qualified for the main to go 146
see adia ba kwa media me suggest ne say enka SSA ye hunu say enipa na wo ba be occupy e be that position no
sure
yenhwe age 1
okay
enti sa age na enipa no e de eba no say or qualify for abia 10 years na then na yamano ababeye
men so ade anka me media to mu say enka obi owo commission ho dada omun rise by ranks what you say
mutizebia IGP system udu then udu commissioner na yima kwa
yes dan say ye bekwa akofo obi firi nchen ye hwe omo ba commissioners nyina o mabaya it's like obi ono no join civil society organization bi obi ono we ni ahwe say bia say de no si ye no ma na asa akwai o ya fan kakra na yakotwe na behim no but ye wonkofo mu isi wodada they've worked they've been deputy directors o ma ye adwuma che they have
I think so for any good point they be ranks say bia we do a senior commissioner. Who's a police service? All right, they do commissioner. Then the president is forced to select one person from the institution,
the commission,
the military, the same thing, the CDS. And I also once them say issues with Brebia from Sanema.
Go be free baby and na go Electoral Commission. And then deputies no eka bibia onyin I have made my decision. And the person is the commissioner.
You know, one factor. Internal wrangling.
Say the government and parade no.
What I say?
Okay.
And no, yeah, one factor. And untina sometimes yeah na omope outsider.
External person.
No more de no abeye commissioner. Into one there, and you want no most of the time no. Omo start na omo also omo camps near the ade na omo divisions wom. And most of the time no. Say mini Eugene ene wo wahai say ye appointed ba akosisi ase bia ye na be sia definitely other subordinates no obon say obi support we obi person we adwuma be successful enti na backbiting no money pull him back no money ade abem
sure
but outside that there oba ono ne focus ne say oba be ye na adwuma
okay
we are now one will be and yeah, no ba be say ehine fa na me no wo sha ase
okay
na afi na ya ba be du na
you also have a point there. And Eugene, I think say
yes, the last one
in summary, no, my one resume we'll delve into it.
Akokwa last one the man is on say jachi case in case no any other cases they Adamusa Kande on card of Mudi
sure
about or the issue about dual citizen. It's almost like you're dual citizen and you can contest for parliamentary elections.
Oh, okay, so I didn't know.
But presidential, the committee recommends parliamentary elections for dual citizens.
Now being justice, being this, sir, I mean holding some offices, no, they are restricted. I mean alpha. And also my recommendation.
Many more so.
Okay, you have come details. I mean, when
many more so ban me want to brief on parliament. I think that they want to take a cue from the Adamusa Kande issue, the Achiko. You see, what share remittances are. Any FDI is a foreign direct investment. Most land is a microphone and cotton which are Bob Brown and the boy economy. Now, one of the ways I foreign exchange at the ball mine. Intino, Senipanum here in the Sikana Bana Genture, there was here a bit questionable. Nancy and Chroma, yes, are there, and it's also the post colonial thinking and they won't trim so high, a best and Crawford, and my as hard in enough years. I think some maybe Mimiaki starting with state agencies. Parliamentary are not careful, possibly be answer 1 year Shamarao. 1 year ratify contract. Because I ensure a constitution, the money foreign entity be a sign contract. Parliament must ratify it. Young crew for years and their casa moving ministers from a number B.
Yeah.
Or Pesca could took Rabak or a campaign. Oh, maybe I want
one real no, they are for him.
I dear mammy bar Mukran say, I dear mammy bar Mukran say. Constitutional review committee no me there to me and then maybe also so ankoye because kwan am fa so eje adwene no exactly.
Oh, but some say a consultative, they went to Umuzoni regions
and non America no they should have even considered institutions.
Oh, but they involved the institutions. They did
meba to say ebia enka ene ebia institution be to say media body mo and I yeji mo dear. Because I did not me person me recommend and say when we send parliamentarians to parliament, because there are issues they have to come back for consultation and some are taking some major decisions.
But for
instance, my main for assembly example say Taman Nana Akufo-Addo yes say and Kawosi National Cathedral. No? Parliament should have even conducted a constituency consultative, engagement. Bia, ye constituency. Your best suggest say, then we could have taken a decision. I will say, Omani Nina, Bakwana say, your person, yes or no.
If you look at some of the,
Mike Nekakramam
say, okay. Recommendations somebody about now. The boy come up.
Okay.
But the chima drink a cranny say, I didn't chase the ejuma.
That's the problem. And it's
not reviews, constitutional reviews, baby.
And this is a typical one, so a strip off the powers of the executive and some from these politicians MPs near the
Love FM said semenya committee members in the twetwe komo
yeah
and some back me no be say beside say omo hwe a recommendation they important as the politicians no ankasa they will not subscribe to politicians ankasa we are mom no omo hwe recommendation we pa the ejuma pa the challenge them and boy tie mfa dey hin na sesisia na ya bebre a gather dust keke e wo abontin no ana offices bi no I didn't chase it. Then I get to me before the bit me because ka governors are affected most. So did a bit me sir recommendations somebody be the be mind titu. Implement it. Now because politician they decide is okay me na me we and me na me you to me be. When a consultative engagements no what do my change now as a politician I know so far where do I come in again
but my shishim kakra be me feel say it will be very difficult on your point you are talking about no or see no more MPs as ministers no more MPs as ministers, and some of them work because their vision is that an appointment. And Osha Fenomarking or Parliament, Ogusu Ehuru, Omomunya appointments. You see your government, and you see it brings that kind of thing. Say a very difficult say call Parliament,
this Parliament. Who is a member of Parliament? And what is the function of the role of a member of Parliament?
Just to represent the people
and to the legislature.
Assembly members. You don't get an appointment, but you said a committee under the assembly,
and a fewer ministers capped by law, and also so by same because currently 57 currently Mahama has a problem with one base because of the fact that some people feel saying case almost when appointment a good for one thing at least who go 8,000
but when I who still showed you but you found as a minister and say share man appointment or so whatever but Jubilee House go
they all can they nice
nice and it's you minister of state but who office be Jubilee House Jubilee sometimes it even duplicates some of the works being done by some ministers. Communications say current Google Jubilee House on communications
say Felix Rua or play our MP I think say very
sure.
Me could afford the credit here. Me pa afiaso.
Me back Christmas. No, so you be doing komo kakra. But what they make an announcement, no.
Me join the love.
Sure.
Why would you say if you be a numeko in Semuni and a would be a friend of Abaji contractor?
Abaji contractor.
Oh yeah, no say a could afford home.
Okay.
Omukunum free moja omo. Na afiso say na obi a kununi na yere no di akoko na me we your friend sadi na de no mo de deja obi a shede mfi omo. To the two ne ho say on Love FM ni Nhyira fe be kan bom. Na afi bia bronya so say a why omo adoye. Na ye sha say e Love FM ye di kofo be 250 na sha say. Na later call 1,000, near call 2,000. For the past 3 years, I had 5,000. You could afford 5,000.
Wow.
And they charge my dear. Now, actually, they more. You know, they are the soccer. They actually they man say more to my puffer. Yamao angwa, yamao amo, yamao mackerel, yamao tin tomatoes. Yes, fakodi ubronya. Now when you into my puffer, when you angwa 1 liter, when you 5 kg rice, na they ding now. Debiano yama omoba ni have show this. See there say mom tickets be.
Okay.
Chit. To ba no be chit. To chit Mr. Mangera no. Cause sada no no. What am I
on no way?
On security
point
okay.
The amount. Do no be omo there.
Okay.
Nti bra be there. Na nanka for the past 3 years no Royal Parade Grounds okay university.
Right.
Afi they call Pajo.
Okay.
The no Pajo Park. On the no nti this first normally can be 25th 26th but this year the year back Eastern region and the be commence there no 3rd January remember the kind of afia be simu 3rd January any year Pajo
right
e bi no mo bi so mo adwen che yin na omo e de fodi peche yin na
nti oba ha no
da bi oba no be chitin mienu no be chitin miensa na okuta chitin 100 krana one package e de man no na abaji e san say yenim dia ya nhwehwe ya ye nti oba be ma ahye so de bi e wo ho ho na ultimate paper ultimate this will trap sa part into chine
as wa koto aban
and no me last omo paper Emano, homo skills be but you say yes, I know this year. You be said to be a yebi. Now, Quanya baby, you know, now you're going to be a not the way you womb. And yes, Mumbra Chitano. Yeah, now moonshine 3rd January or Pajo and Crammer in the morning.
Medase, Yamin Shamo Sopa. And I was here, you be 104.5. Crew Moon, some Christmas edition, and I would